up, everybody? Hope everybody's doing well out there. Welcome back to another video. Super windy out today. I'm on my lunch break and I'm heading to Ace Hardware to get an adapter for my socket wrench. And you may be asking why? Why do you need that? Well, I bought a battery charger, and if you didn't know, with these cars, the battery is in the back. So, battery is in like the right side of the trunk, sort of in the wheel well area. But anyways, I'm buying a battery charger. I bought a battery charger already, and there's an adapter that you can connect to the positive and negative ground from the engine bay. And to access those, you need a Torx bit. And I got a Torx bit that fits, but it's too big for my wrench. So I need an adapter that will fit on my wrench and the Torx bit. So that's what we're heading to Ace Hardware for. So yeah, once I get that, I'll be able to charge my battery. My battery's fine, it's at like 86% health, I think, but I plan on flash tuning my car soon, and I obviously want it to be at 100% for that. And you should just have a battery charger while you're flash tuning your car to begin with, so your car doesn't die during the process. But yeah, just on a little bit of a main quest here, so. Beautiful day out. Puppy all charged up. Hardware. That's the spot. The destination for today's quest for a 1/4 inch to 3/8 inch female to male adapter. I ordered the part online, so it should be here, but we'll see. All right, so I think we got it. 1/4 inch driver to 3/8 inch adapter here. Right here. Might have to bring my dog down there. I have a 1.5-year-old golden retriever. She's the highlight of my day every day. I'm excited to flash tune the car soon. Gonna stick with MHD because that's what was on the car previously, and I'm comfortable with it. I should say from the previous owner. It's still on the car, stage 1 tune, but pretty comfortable with the MHD Wi-Fi adapter and the flash tune process. I'd love to do it myself, but there's one little thing that I'm worried about, and that is pretty much bricking the ECU or the DME. It's possible to kill your battery and overall kind of just kill the ECU. Really don't want to do that because the cost of replacing the ECU is a whole process. It's expensive. It's just not something I want to go down that road if I don't have to. So we're gonna be real careful. Otherwise, I'm gonna take it to my tech, my indie shop that I go to, and have them do it for me once I have the license and the adapter and everything. So, but I've seen YouTube videos and it seems pretty straightforward. So I'm gonna try and do it myself. And obviously I can record a video of me doing it. Hopefully it's not tragic and destroys the car. But hey, whatever happens, happens. So. So with these C-Tech chargers for BMW, this is basically the off-brand. They do have a BMW branded battery charger that is the same one as this, but it comes with two attachments that you attach into here. Obviously you plug it into your wall on this end, and this attachment is like a loop attachment. I don't really know the specific name for this, but then you got your clips. Obviously we won't be using these because I'd have to go in and tear apart my wall in my trunk, and I'm not going to do that to access the battery. So with these, you can come in here, and this is your negative ground, this is your positive, and you can tell that you need a Torx bit in here to undo it. Same with this, a T50 I believe it is, but anyways, you can connect them here, and then you can basically just leave this in here and plug it in whenever you need it. So that's what we'll be doing now that we have the correct tools for the job. So let's go ahead and work on it. As you can see, it fits real nicely. Let's see if we can torque this out here. And it works perfectly. That's exactly what we want. Sweet. We'll go in here. Okay. And then what we can do, what I've seen on previous videos, is somebody put that right there, and this kind of just stays right here, and they feed this. Just going right here. Bada bing, bada boom. Easy enough. And then this can just sit out, and yeah, if I ever want to change it, if it bugs me down the road, we'll change it, but for now we're solid. It's not moving anywhere. But yeah, there we go. Beautiful. Close that up. Now we have easy access to charge the car. There you have it. And then we obviously just plug this guy in and loop her in. So I'll pull the car in and get it plugged in. And there we go. So it goes through a series of charging modes, not modes, but steps along the way till it basically trickles. So it charges if it needs to. My battery is currently around 86%, and then this final stage is, you know, the trickle charge, where it just maintains steady battery. So yeah, everything looks good, and you know, you can leave this down like this, close it, and I'll just keep it down here for now. So there we go. Simple. C-Tech battery charger. BMW F82 M4. Good stuff.